In this video, I will guide you on how to solve WhatsApp message not sending and receiving problem. If you're facing this problem, the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and data and check. Weak internet can stop voice messages from sending or downloading. Now, the next thing you want to do is enable background data for WhatsApp. For that, head over to your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of applications, you want to scroll and find WhatsApp. Now you want to find the option of mobile data. Here find the option of allow background data usage and toggle this option on. Then you also want to toggle on this option, allow data usage while data saver is on. Then head back. Now tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. Head back again and this time tap on force stop, then tap on OK. You also want to make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. To check, you want to head over to Play Store. You want to search WhatsApp. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After you have updated the application, restart your phone. Now open WhatsApp and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.